Hello, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, we will be doing an in-depth analysis of the EURUSD pair, looking at both recent news and events and the candlestick data. Let's start by looking at the daily chart and examine the overall trend. We can see some recent volatility, but the overall trend seems to be slightly bullish. Now, let's take a look at the recent news to see if we can find any correlations to the price action. Major news outlets have reported that European markets closed lower on Monday, with the dollar strengthening to near a two-year high. Based on the news, it is logical to assume a bearish pressure on EURUSD, particularly when compared to the USD. However, let's look at the hourly chart and see if it gives us additional insight. Here on the 1-hour chart, we see some short-term fluctuation. The price action is not completely matching the larger picture. While the daily chart shows a slight upward trend, the hourly chart presents more short-term fluctuations, which do not seem to line up with the overall trend. Let's look at the 15-minute chart for a more granular analysis. The 15-minute chart displays considerable short-term volatility. Notice the rapid price swings and frequent reversals. This level of volatility increases risk for traders, making it challenging to predict with certainty. Looking at the daily chart again, we see key support around 1.05 and resistance at 1.10. A break above 1.10 could signal a stronger bullish trend, whereas a fall below 1.05 could lead to a more bearish sentiment. Let's focus on the period between October 26th and November 3rd on the daily chart. During this time, we see a significant price increase, likely influenced by market speculation and news of improving economic indicators in the Eurozone. The volume during this rally was substantial, suggesting strong conviction. The price then experienced a short-term drop before moving up. This action suggests that the market could be preparing for another rally. In summary, the EURUSD pair presents a complex picture. Short-term volatility is high, while longer-term trends remain somewhat unclear. Key support sits around 1.05 and resistance around 1.10. A significant break above the resistance or below the support would drastically alter short and long-term predictions. Based on the current data, a sustained bullish trend above 1.10 seems moderately likely, 55% probability, given a continuation of positive European economic news. Conversely, a sustained drop below 1.05 is also possible, 45% probability, particularly if market sentiment shifts negatively due to fresh economic or political headwinds. It's crucial to monitor the news, especially economic indicators, and watch for any upcoming events. Keep an eye on the key support and resistance levels, and consider the volume of transactions as a confirmation of price movements. Happy trading!